Alright, this video is of my 20-year-old, well, it's getting close to 20, it's 18-year-old Roper washing machine, refrigerator that has failed. And I'll show you how it's failed in a second. Right there on the upper right in the refrigerator section is the part number and serial number for the unit. This may be an interesting film, I don't think so, but my refrigerator freezer is frozen open, and what I'm doing is using my Honeywell here to melt the ice for a while. It's currently oriented sideways. The problem it had was the ice maker was all frozen over, and this was covered with ice. I defrosted it and did a cycle to remove the ice that was in it, and I disconnected the unit. I'm going to empty this, and I'm not going to show you that. I went online and found the drawing. If you look right here, that's the model number, RS25AGXNQ02, and this valve, item 10, is the part that is leaking. It's located right back, stand by. It's located right back there, right there. This is the valve for the connection of the water. I went online and looked up the part number in Genuine Replacement Parts. I've bought things from them twice now, and they were not as expensive, but they were the actual factory parts. And this is what came with the valve. The OEM replacement valve, which I'm going to change and not show you. It came with another valve or connection, which goes right there. Taking a look, along with the required hose as well, and that was the cheapest, although with shipping and stuff like that it goes higher. These are definitely real Whirlpool parts. They had plenty of them, so this 20-year-old refrigerator, that design right here, is still being used on refrigerators, because basically all it does is simply pass water through. I'm not going to show you how I change it, because there's other videos out there, but in essence you see the inlet where it's going to connect to the hose right there, and that valve, and then it just simply pumps up water up there. But when the valve leaks or it doesn't work at all, you get either one, no ice, or two, a big mess. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.